Next question. Which of the following are most likely classified by economists as consumer durable goods? A, food and clothing. B, drugs, toys, magazines, and books. C, automobiles and furniture. Or D, stocks and bonds. So there's two elements to this definition. First is a consumer good. And what we mean by consumer good is simply a good that consumers are buying pretty often on the marketplace. It's not like a financial asset. It's not anything, complex. It's just regular goods that we think of every day. And the second component is durable, and that's contrasted with non-durable goods or perishable goods. And a durable good is simply a good that you can use multiple times without really using up the good. It's not single use, it's reusable, more permanent of a good that you use. You don't buy it repeatedly over a short period of time. So taking a look at those two definitions, we can take a look at these answer choices. A says food and clothing. So food in particular, we would consider a perishable or single-use good, a non-durable good. So that's going to eliminate that from the answer choice right away. And clothing is somewhere in between durable and non-durable. B says drugs, toys, magazines, and books. And so some of these you could consider durable goods, maybe toys and books and magazines. Drugs, you use a certain amount of drugs. You can't use those again, so that's non-durable. So it's not a great answer choice, so you can take a look at the other one still. C says automobiles and furniture, and we can see that in contrast with answer choices A and B, automobiles and furniture are much more long-lasting, durable goods that consumers buy once and then use over a long period of time. Right? You don't buy a car every week. You buy a car every 10 years or 15 years maybe. And so that's definitely a good example of a consumer durable good. So we're going to go with that most likely. And D says stocks and bonds, but again, we don't consider those consumer goods. So that's not going to be the right answer here. So C is going to be the best answer. And taking a look at the previous tutor, the previous tutor said that based on the time of using a particular good, goods are mainly classified into two main types known as durable and non-durable goods. All of the goods that have a short lifespan fall under the non-durable good category. On the other side, those goods that have a long lifespan come under durable goods. In other words, durable goods are those goods that are not consumed completely in single use to provide utility over time. All of the goods given in the options are not considered as durable because they have a limited time span, except automobiles and furniture. Therefore, option C is correct. Yeah, definitely I buy that. I was in agreement there, so nothing really to add here. Okay, great answer. And mark that as correct. Moving on.